Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. LENOVO is hiring for data analyst role. Career area is services, country is India, state Karnataka, city is Bangalore, and working time is full time. Now first of all, we'll get to know that why work at LENOVO. Here at LENOVO, we believe in smarter technology that builds a brighter, more sustainable and inclusive future for our customers, colleagues and communities and the planet. And we go big. No, not big. Huge. We are not just a US $70 billion revenue Fortune Global 500 company. We are one of the Fortune's most admired. We are transforming the world through intelligent transformation, offering the world's most complete portfolio of smart devices, infrastructure and solutions. With more than 71,500 employees doing business in 180 markets, we help millions, not just the select few, experience our version of a smarter future. The one thing that's missing, well, you. Let us see the description and the requirements now. Analyze, implement and maintain databases. Use of statistics to provide insights related to customer experience. Correlate customer experience performance with operational data and provide insights. Create and maintain dashboards for visualization, Power BI. Engage with multiple teams across functions to achieve the desired outcome. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this apply button. After that, this page will open where it is asking for sign in or register for a new user account. If you are a recent applicant for a current open role, we have your email saved in our system. Please select forget password to recent and login. And if you are a new user, you have to first register. Here by clicking on this register button. Now after that, this page will open where you have to select your resume first from your computer, or you can copy and paste, and you can go ahead without resume also. Then you have to fill your personal information here. First name, last name, mobile number, email, your country, state, address. This is the basic details. And then your work experience if you already have an experience. If you are not having experience, you can remove it by clicking on this remove button. Then your education history here. And then the languages you can speak, you can add here. Then your resume and cover letter. And then the password of this account, LENOVO's account you want to create. After that, you have to acknowledge and click on the continue button. After that, there are some job specific questions. First is, are you eligible to work in the country to which you are applying? Have you worked for LENOVO before? Then when are you available to start? From which date you can start? You can select here. Salary expectations. And then your annual gross salary expectation from annual gross salary expectation to. After that, you have to click on the submit button and submit this application. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स, एंड फॉर मोर लेटेस्ट जॉब अपडेट्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.